And as always, welcome back to another video of Coffee and Stocks. Thank you for coming back. Thank you for clicking on this video. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press the Mason subscribe button. We are going to talk about a few penny stocks that I have been looking at lately. So yeah, let's get started on this video. The first one that we are going to talk about is a Naked Brand Group. As you can see right here with the ticker symbol of NAKD or Naked. Anyways, so in the 1-day chart, yes, it did open up at 52 cents, then it dropped down to 47 cents before exploding back up to around 62 cents. That is more than 31% increase in less than 3 hours. Now, it's not too bad. I mean, the market cap is only at 285 million, which isn't that big. As you do see right here, the 52-week high is at $3.40, which makes you think why that has happened. I mean, guys, think about it. I think if we go back a little bit more. Where is the three? Anyways, it hasn't, to be honest, it hasn't been doing great since last June. It did poorly over here. No one really believed it when it came into the NASDAQ. It was in less than 8 cents. Since then, it has increased 750% to the upside. Now, it isn't too bad right here. It did increase 2,000% to the upside. Congratulations to all those people who have sold it or who bought it at this area and then came back over here. Now, I will say it looks to be trending a little bit sideways in my point of view, around the 45 to 50 cent mark. So that is, that's definitely something to look into. Now, we look at to what Naked Brand Group is, and we just go over here, and this Naked Brand Group is a global leader in intimate swim and apparel. I know a lot of you guys aren't going to be into this stock, but guess what? I'm still going to talk about it. Naked Brand Group is a leading intimate apparel and swim wear company with a diverse portfolio of brands. We design, manufacture, and market a portfolio of nine company owned and licensed brands, catering to a broad cross section of consumers and market segments. Right? Our brands include Bendon, Frederick of Hollywood, Fave, Reform, Pleasure State, Lovable Naked. Damn. Our brand includes Fendon, Fredericks of Hollywood, Fairmore, Form, Pleasure State, Lovable, Naked, Hickory, Bendon Man, and so on and so on. The Naked Brand Group, as it exists today, was created in June 2018 and has gone to the NASDAQ via merger, which is, not bad in 2018. Now, the latest news for this company right here, because they haven't had much, it's just a stable company, as you could hear it. They announced the final results of extraordinary general meetings and closing of Bendon divestiture. Anyways, so the reason why on January 21, 2021, let me zoom in for you guys. Naked announced its plans to undertake a transformative restructure in which it would dispose of its unprofitable bricks and mortar operations in order to focus exclusively on the planned rapid acceleration of its e-commerce business. So this is simply very, very interesting, because if you really think about it, everything is really moving on to e-commerce, especially with the whole pandemic. It kind of accelerated that forward, and everyone is just selling everything online, right? So to that end, the company signed a non-binding and non-exclusive term sheet to divest itself of its subsidiary Bandon Limited to a group composed of existing management of the company, including Justin Davis Rice, the executive chairman and CEO of the company, and Anna Johnson, the CEO of Bandon. So they're kind of breaking that down and making a e-commerce company, which is pretty cool. We should see this price go higher to around $1. Obviously, I am not a financial advisor, so please do not take my words as advice. I'm purely just making this video for entertainment purposes only, and to show you guys a little bit more penny stocks that might be interesting to add to your portfolio. Also, don't forget, a lot of the penny stocks do come with a lot of volatility, so that is something to always keep in mind when investing in any sort of stock, shares, or whatever. Even if the company is very, very stable, think about it. Think twice before investing, just in case. Anyways, the second one that I do want to talk about is with the ticker symbol of IQST, or IQSTEL Inc. Currently going for 48 cents. Now it's not too bad. It did open up at 55 cents and then it just dropped down around 13%. Now in the past year, it has been doing pretty good, up 700%, trading under 6 cents, and then even going higher than $2 at one point, which is up 3,000% to the upside. Now, penny stocks don't tend to stay up this high when it goes this high real quick, right? Obviously, there is going to be some selling, there is going to be some pullback, there is going to be some correction, and then people obviously are going to get their gains back. Now, a little bit more of who they are. They are a company that provides services to the telecommunication, electric vehicle, liquid fuel distribution, chemical, and financial services industries. So they kind of deal with a lot of people. They deal with telecommunication. They deal with all that, everything that is done online. So that is a very good to have in mind. A little bit more about them. They are US based, publicly listed. They are present in more than 15 countries, and they deal with a lot of telecommunication, which has increased dramatically, especially with the 5G that has popped off recently, especially with Verizon. Their mission, as you see right here, is to provide enhanced telecommunication services, solutions, applications by creating innovative and modern technological solutions to meet the specific needs of the worldwide customer. This mission will be driven by the unwavering commitment to our employees, providers, partners, and shareholders. So, thank you. Anyways, a few of the things, well, not about them, but a few of the customers that they do have. These are all the business divisions that they do have. As you can see, telecom, labs, money, blockchain, which, you know, it's super hyped right now, especially with Dogecoin. But if you pull down a little bit further down here, you can see that a few of their customers, they have Verizon, which is huge. They have T-Mobile, which is also huge. Movistar, which we haven't heard that much. They have Telmex, which is Mexico. They have China, IBM as well. So they are, they did partner up, or they do have customers that are pretty big. So that is very, very interesting and something that you guys might want to take a look at. Don't forget, 48 cents penny stock does come with volatility, so definitely keep that in mind. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel, and I do thank every single one of you guys, and I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.